morning everyone. We are a student from the 7th and 8th standard. Today we are trying to presenting a new thing. Friends, can you guess what can we do today? Yes?
You are giving information about continents.
Yes, right. We are given a very useful information about the continents. Friends, you know how many continents in the world? Yes?
Seven.
Yes, right. Good morning, everyone. So you all know in our world having a seven continents. That is Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and then finally Australia. And every continent have its special features. Guys, which is the largest continent in the world? Largest continent? Yes.
Asia.
Yes, right. Asia is the largest continent, and which is the smallest? Yes, Aryan?
Australia.
Yes, Australia is the smallest continent. So, like this, our school students Arya Dhage and Runal Fiske would like to present such a nice poem. It's described the all continents. Please, Arya and Runal, come on the stage. Clap for them.
Today we are present here at a beautiful poem that describes the seven continents. Good morning everyone, my name is Arya Arundaye. Thanks for giving a chance to say the poem. There are seven continents in all. They are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and then finally Australia. There are seven continents in all. There are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and then finally Australia. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Gauri Gote. I am from 8th standard. As you all know, my friend Vikram Namdore introduced 7 continents of the world as well as I introduced 5 oceans of the world. First of all, the largest ocean in the world has Pacific Ocean, second largest ocean has Atlantic Ocean, third Indian Ocean, fourth Southern Ocean, and last the smallest ocean of the world is Arctic Ocean. So every continent and every ocean coming here to introduce themselves. So everyone keep silence and pay attention. First of all, hey guys, my name is Divya and today I am giving you the interesting facts about the Asia. You know the Asia is the largest continent in the world, and in the Asia, the Russia is the largest country and the Maldives is the smallest country in the Asia, having 49 countries, and Asia is the home of 2,300 languages, and Asia is the best known for its rise in natural resources such as petroleum, fish, forest, water, and silver and copper. And Asia is discovered by the Portuguese, and Singapore in the Asia, the Singapore is the richest country, and the Asia is the home world's religions, that is Buddhism, Hinduism, and Islam. And Islam is the largest religion in Asia. The South China Sea is the largest sea in the Asia. The Asian elephant is the largest mammal in Asia. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am playing a role of Africa. Africa is the second largest and the most popular continent after Asia in both aspects. Its area is 30.37 km and its population is 121.61 crores, and most of the world diamond come from Africa. Africa is a poor continent but it is rich in natural resources. It is the home of the world. The longest river Nile is in Africa, and there are 54 countries in Africa and at least 75 languages in Africa. Africa is discovered by the Portuguese and it is old between about 3.6 and 2 billion years ago. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am the North America. North America is the largest continent in the northern and western hemisphere of Earth. It is to the east of the Pacific Ocean and the west of the Atlantic Ocean and the south of the Arctic Ocean. And it is the northern part of the Americas. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am the South America. The South America is the fourth largest continent in the world, and in the my west side are Atlantic Ocean and in the my west side are Pacific Ocean. The Amazon River home it also the South America, and the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn are passed from South America.
Good morning everyone. I am Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent. Many countries have research in Antarctica. Animals found on this continent are penguins, whales, seals, etc. Human settlement is not seen on this continent. Antarctica is so cold continent. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent with the continent of Europe is home to more than 4 UNESCO World Heritage, more than 200 languages spoken in Europe, known for the rich in art and culture. Pizza and ramen are the most popular dishes in Europe. The country with the most biggest population in Europe is Russia. Thank you. Hi everyone, I am Australia. Australia is the ICC World Cup 6. Australia is the sixth largest country in the world. Australia is the largest populous continent. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Australia capital is Canberra. Australia is the largest city of Sydney. Australia, the area of is the Australia 76 lakh 86,000 and 850 kilometers. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean covering more than 30% of the earth. This is close to half of water on earth. It touches west coast border, East America, East Asia and Australia. The minerals found in Pacific Ocean is magnesia, cobalt, nickel and copper. The Pacific equator divides into two separate parts, the North Pacific Ocean and the South Pacific Ocean. It deeply trenches, average depth is 4,280 meters long. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aditya. I am Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean was the first crossed by a ship and airplane. The warm blue stream of the Atlantic Ocean keep a horror in the northern Europe away from the ice during winter. The Atlantic Ocean is the world's salted sea. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Gauri Sudhibhote from 8th standard. Today I play a role of Indian Ocean. I introduce myself means Indian Ocean self and my neighbor ocean and my neighbor continents. In my neighbor have Atlantic Ocean and Southern Ocean. In my north side have Asia, in my west side have Africa and in my east side have Australia. 80% of Indian Ocean is open and 9 large marine ecosystem, the Alhaz Current, Somali coastal currents and Red Sea, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Gulf of Thailand. A west shelf of Australian and northwest shelf of Australian and southwest of shelf of Australian. The vast quantity of critical minerals for the global energy transition in Indian Ocean there have so many minerals like copper, cobalt and nickel and magnesium. This is all information about Indian Ocean. So lastly I thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ashwin Bodhe from 8th standard. Today I am giving information about Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean, also known as the Antarctic Ocean, is converged in southernmost water of world ocean, generally taken by the so generally taken by the south of 60 degrees Celsius latitude encircling attraction. The size of 20 crore 37 lakh 7,000 kilometer square, 8 crore 84 lakh 7,000 square meter. It is regarded on the second smallest country, second smallest. It is the five principal oceanic divisions, smaller than the Pacific, Indian, Atlantic, but larger than the Arctic Ocean. Since 1980s, he is Southern Ocean. He is subject of rapid climate change. Where is the lead of the change of marine ecosystem? Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kyle Ramdajin. I am studying in 8th standard. Today I am playing a role of Arctic Ocean. Mineral resources include major reserves of oil and natural gas. Large quantities of minerals include iron ores, nickels, copper, zinc, phosphate and diamonds. One of the five oceans in the globe is the Arctic. North America, Eurasia and the Arctic Ocean all share the boundary of Arctic. There are 6 nations that share the boundary of Arctic Ocean. Canada, Iceland, Greenland, Russia and the United States of America are those nations. Thank you. Thank you everyone.